Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training in our recreational center here. I know I've had this on hold, but there's been some major developments here. Apparently, we might need a stair in this area. So we're gonna have to really work this kitchen, and also this kitchen is going to be more very commercial. There's going to be some retail here, whether it's selling food or whatever. So we may have to open this call out view that we created in the last video. So I'm going to just double click it and open it. So here's our view. So here now, I think we have plenty of cabinet space. We've got a oven here, but I think we need grills. So what I managed to find here. I'm gonna go over to the city. I'm gonna go to my 3D view here. So this is our first level here. Still haven't done floors here yet. So, but right now here, the kitchen area is here. We're gonna add a grill and other features here, maybe another sink. So I'm gonna go back into my level 1 view here, and I'm going to, you need a microwave here. I want to take this out now, this out, and this out. We're going to need our deep freezer, and I'm going to I'm going to leave that there. We're going to have a cooktop, but I want to position it maybe there. And then I need a grill here. So we've got this nice grill here. I'm going to look at this view. Another one for Revit City. We're going to have to do some industrial or very commercial type food servicing here. So this is a nice grill. We'll probably use, maybe, I don't know. So, and then we have a fryer. We definitely need a fryer, deep fryer here. So I want to, I think that's probably all we really need, because we're going to have to add a stair. So this is going to be the deep fryer we're going to use. Well, this is an electric grill. We're going to go with the electric one here because we're going to go solar. So this is going to be a very green building here. So that'll be a good object to use. So go back to my plan view. So we're going to take this guy right here and probably put him there. Yep. We got a lot of room here. We can move this down. And this is going to be our grill. So this space is going to be very, it's going to end up a retail area, a kitchen. Somebody can come in and do a nice kitchen here, and then I don't know, if anything, we definitely need a deep fryer here. So let's see what we got here. You just go edit here, and then yep. In fact, for this for what we have here, I would think we probably wouldn't really need the grill, because it's really bulky and big, unless, it's just going to depend on what's going to happen with our stairs, really, basically. That's what's going to happen. But anyway, let's take this out for now. And we'll put a deep fryer in here. We'll have two of these guys here and there. Probably wouldn't need two for this type of situation, but you know. And then here, I want to get a prep table here, so I pulled some stuff from somewhere else. Here's a nice prep table that's that we can rotate and manage. So I'm going to just give it a 90 here, and just sort of set it right about there in the center. So you know they can sort of work around, do this little wrap around here, and then I'm going to have a. Let's see what's going on here in this view. We probably can bring our cabinets back, but anyway, I just wanted to bring you up to date on this project. This project is going on, but apparently, like I said, we're gonna need an elevator now, and then another access from here. So it's going to affect our kitchen a lot. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to up you. Fire is backwards. Let's go clean this up. These oh wow, should have seen that. No, right in place. Let's see what that looks like now. Nope, still wrong. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. That we're gonna need a freezer and a cooktop and deep fryers. I think we need a grill as well, though. We're probably gonna need a grill here, but we're gonna work that out. Just wanted to update everybody on this project. I know I haven't seen you. I haven't. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. So we're going to continue to work on our kitchen here. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to update you on this project. I'm going to have to work some things out because we're going to need a stair over here. It's going to affect the kitchen, and then the spaces are changing to other things. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care everybody. Be safe. Bye.